Ayan, magbe-babysit na naman tayo ngayon. Magpapatulog tayo ngayon ng aking baby. Ayan, bago ako umuwi, nagpapa-scrub siya para matulog na. Where are you going? Oh, ayaw niya pa. Makati ang kanyang tenga. Come here. Is it dirty? Baby. Here. Come na. Kumati yung kanyang tenga. Kaya tumakbo siya. Paborito niya itong box ng sapatos. See? Where? Here? Ayan, pagkatapos niyang kumain, tatakbo kami rito. Bago ako umuwi, matutulog na siya. Ganyan ang buhay namin. Ganyan ang buhay namin ni Feifei. Gusto niya talaga mahiga dito sa box ng sapatos. Higaan naman siya. Okay? Is it okay? Where are you? Why your face there? Face here. Here. Face here. Oh, Chichi. Okay, help you. Lie down na. I help you. Makati dito. Okay? Lay down na. Lie down. Pag ayaw niya na, kinakagat niya na ako. Pag gusto niya nang i-stop, kinakamot niya na ako. Ibig sabihin nun, stop na. Okay, enough na. More. Ano pang patulog niya? Okay. Okay. Ayaw niya na. Ibig sabihin, matutulog na siya. Tigilan mo na. Okay, sorry. Okay na. Sorry na. Okay, sleep na. Don't angry. Don't angry, okay? Sleep na. Don't bite me, Don't bite me. Don't bite. Nagalit siya. Ba't ka nagalit? Stop ko naman na. Okay? Ayaw niya ng touch. Pag ganyan, ayaw niya nang hahawakan siya. Natutulog na siya. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Gumagalaw din yung kanyang tenga. Bye-bye. I'm coming home. Nagalaw din ang kanyang tenga. Hello everyone. For today's video, I will share to you the pampering of my cat. She wants to sleep now. She loves scrubbing her hair before going to sleep. Let's see. This cat is very kind, very loving, and very cute. Hi, Feifei. Say hi. She wants to sleep now. Babysit with a pet cat. Say hi. Thanks for watching. She really loves staying in the shoebox. Hmm? Hi. Say hi. Yes, she's moving her ears. She said hi. Hmm? Say thank you for watching. Vivi. Huh? Oh, it means you don't want her anymore. If she act like that, she said, I don't want anymore. You need to stop, otherwise she will angry. Okay? Okay, guys. Thank you all, so my subscribers and all of you this video. Thank you so much for your support and subscribe. And bye bye. Sleep now.